pride of his people. Behold the King cometh, all hail the King, His Majesty.
Ishe Isiguzo.
Your Majesty.
My son, His Majesty, has just revealed something very shocking to me. That the very person threatening his life in school is your son, a son of this kingdom. Ishe Isiguzo, I am not only shocked, but very disappointed.
Your Majesty, I am as shocked as you are to hear this bad news. If anybody told me that my son will be up to this dreadful attitude, I would not have believed that person.
You must be a fool to think I'll believe your fabrications. Now I know who my enemies are. You and your family are traitors. And I tell you, warn your son to stay off my track, else I will crush you all.
The King of his people, pride of his people. Behold the King cometh, all hail the King, His Majesty.
Aruanyo n'ọkụ abata n'igwe. Aruanyo n'ọkụ mmụọ abata n'igwe.
He has power, riches, and splendor. Where his word lies, power lies. He's the King of his people. From a land filled with...
Yes, Dad, I'm listening. What? The king has taken your office away from you. Tell me exactly, when did this happen? It's okay, Dad. Don't panic. Just calm down, okay? Listen, just calm down. Calm down. Yeah, just relax. I'm going to take it up myself. I'll sort it out. Okay, just calm down. All right. No, I can't come at this time. Of course, Dad, you know I can't come. It's not possible. Dad, I cannot come at this time. Anyway, you won't understand, but just relax. I'll take care of everything myself. Yeah. I'll call you later anyway. All right. So Chuga has finally taken this war to my own family. I see. It's all good. I'll let him know that he has stepped on a cobra's tail and the poisonous venom sting him.
Blade, what is the meaning of this?
Who revealed my identity to Chiugo?
What sort of question is that? I'm asking you, what sort of... You want...
I greet you all. Where are the other members of the council? Ichi Akeze.
He's coming, Igbo.
Ichi Onibo.
Your Majesty, he will soon be here.
What about Ichiokwe?
Igwe, they say they are coming.
Anyway, we don't have much time to spend, so let me go straight into the reason I called you all. I'm sure you all are aware of the happenings around this palace as they concern me. And I'm very sure you know about my issue with Ichie Isiguzo and his son, who has been my headache in school. Because of the same son of his, one of my security guards was shot dead yesterday. By his son and his cohorts. So I came here and summoned this emergency meeting to intimate you of my resolve. I won't have a man whose family pose a threat to my life as my own.
Your Majesty.
Shut up! I gave you enough time to talk to your son. I gave you enough time to call him to order, but you didn't do it. Now let me tell you the gravity of your offense. As a first measure, you are hereby removed from office as the Olowu and Kingmaker of Anyocha Kingdom. I direct you to return all paraphernalia of office to this palace as soon as possible. I have spoken.
Your Majesty, we understand your anger, but in matters like this, we require some consultations with the gods.
Ichiabana, leave all that aside. I have spoken and my word is law. If you go against my word, you go against me. And you all know what that means. Ichie Isiguzo,
Your Majesty.
leave this palace this minute. Out!
So speak. I'm listening.
Please. Sincerely, I did not tell Chugo anything.
I'm sure you expect me to believe also that you have not been to his house, right? Huh?
I have been to his house before, but I...
Shut up! Stop lying to me. You bloody traitor. Should have known better. Spider.
Come on.
Watch over.
Let's come.
Let's get out.
You think it's base? You think it's base? We don't give you base now. Select. Selector. Selector. They laugh.
Close, shut up!
Good day, ma. What's it good about them? Come, Smalley, I don't get time to do it.
I can be of help.
You this Smalley won't help. Help me for what? I tell you I want help. Come work for your friend.
I was told to monitor your movement by the great Imperial Majesty.
You is member of them?
Yes.
Hey, you! Smalley?
I joined them because I needed protection and because of my nature and my looks.
So what I do for you now?
Just be careful. I would like to be your friend.
You want to be my friend? You, this one. What can you friend? I careful. Careful of what? Eh?
Just be careful.
What did I do for me? Go, Smalley. I don't hear you. Go. I said, get out.
Just be careful.
This man wants to they jump cut. Where you supposed to stay out, they suck in mama breast. Yeah, do cut. This one will be like to speak. He ain't to be a fee. He pack breast one like this. Yeah.
Any luck, Your Highness?
Bobby, her number is still switched off.
Oh. What happened? I mean, where could she have gone?
I'm as confused and curious as you are. I don't know where she is. Nobody seems to know where she is. Even her classmates. What's this?
This is becoming serious. Or could it be, Your Highness, could it be that...
Could it be what, Bobby?
Nothing, but I sense Blade's hand in her disappearance.
Blade?
Yes.
Are you saying? Excuse me. Hello? Yes! That's my point. She's been missing for days. I don't seem to know where she is. I've tried everything possible. Yeah, but I think Blade has a hand in her disappearance. Okay, I'll get back to you, whatever be the outcome. All right. Hey. Bobby, please find out who's at the gate. All right.
Helen, you've not really told me who you've come to see. It's late and of course His Highness has gone to bed.
You.
Excuse me. What are you talking about? Hey, stop. Just stop. What's wrong with you?
Bobby, what was that you said happened when I was asleep yesterday?
Your Highness, it's your girl.
My girl? Which my girl? Rose?
Not Rose, Helen.
Helen? She came here?
Yes, Your Highness.
Well, thank God you didn't disturb my sleep. So what did she come to do?
Your Highness, you won't believe it. She didn't come to see you. She came to see me. She said she wanted to discuss something with me. I was amazed.
She came to see you?
Yes. Fine. I let her in. All of a sudden, she started acting funny, asking me about my family and all that.
I don't care.
Your Highness, what's funny?
Nothing. Man, you should know what's going on. She has found out I don't have interest in her. Now she's stylishly switching over to you. No. Make the best of it.
No, Your Highness, please, I beg you. What will I be doing? I don't have anything.
No, Bobby, no. Bobby, don't be on the defensive, okay? Listen, as a matter of fact, I don't have interest in her. I haven't even slept with her. So go ahead and have fun.
Your Highness,
They can go where they go, John. Don't do what you're supposed to do.
Your Highness, my hands are clean, though. Stop it!
Kapon!
What the hell is going on here? This is spider. Red Bulls. What?
Stupid you guy. Go. This guy, the guy, he no get it. Oh, no get it. Ah.
Fuck off. So where's the girl now? Where is she?
We don't know.
Oh shit. What the fuck?
What upon this stupid spy that want to taste something you have not tasted.
Shut up. Who told you I've not? How do you know? Instead of you guys to go after the girl, you're busy here blabbing and making foolish noise. Come on, get out of this place. Go get the girl. Go. Go, all of you. Get out. Go. Get up. One more. Go after the girl. Get up from this place. Get out. Get out of my sight.
Come and trap. Say follow una talk. Say bona the phone say be big girl.
If you don't get out of our way right now, we'll still deal with you. You will regret to stay in this campus.
Una not try at all. Now they threaten me that.
Meaning?
If I not come up from my front, I go deal with you and I go dey cry like baby.
Look, you this bush girl. The next time you cross our path,
what will happen?
The great Imperial Majesty will so deal with. He will so crush you.
You dey craze. He will so crush you. You carry head woman inside her son like this. They wear the thing where they are wearing cold in London. You are wear it down here. They form big girl. You carry wiper for I say carry lashes. They like blind matrimonials. Eh? Yeah. See, as I dey waka now, if they born na mama way on top of papa, more na stop. More na waka. If them born na mama way, more na follow me, yeah? Follow me, I go beat you na blue, black and black. They smell. Reverse the gate, I know they bath, I know they wash you under. Such na they smell. Reverse the gate, I cannot bath.
This na fuck off.
I know you're scared, but relax yourself, you're safe with me. Well, I have food, can I serve you?
Mm-hmm. I'm fine.
You're sure you're fine?
No, I'm fine. I'm okay with everything.
Are you sure?
Thank you for the accommodation.
No, don't worry. You see, your story is not strange to me because everyone in this school knows about Blade and his manners.
My problem is, why can't he be stopped?
He can't be stopped.
How?
You see, everyone believes he's invisible because of his erratic behavior in school. But I tell you the truth, it is only a rival family like the Red Deities that can stop him.
Red Deities?
The Red Deity. I am one of the heads of the Red Deity in this school.
The Red Deity is a positive family that stands against anyone that tries to fight them. We have a leader called Skylord. We fight for our own. We fight for those who identify with the Red Deities.
If your people are as powerful, like you say, how come you have not confronted Blade and his cohorts?
My dear, we don't fight a just fight. You see, Blade and his men have not crossed our path, so fighting him is of no use. Like I said, we fight for our own, we protect our own. We fight for those who identify with the Red Deities.
Sorry, please. Can I use your phone?
Oh, sure.
Okay. Hello? Hello, Chugo. It's Rose.
I've searched for you for days and I couldn't reach you on phone. I was scared and afraid by your absence and silence. What happened?
These people kidnapped me. I'm in a friend's house now. His name is Cruz. He's the one that saved me.
Rose, I've really missed you.
Chugo, please. There's no time for all of this. Cruz here says he has a solution to how Blade and his group can be stopped.
Okay, I'm all ears.
Oh, all right. Hold on. Let me hand over the phone to him.
Hello, His Highness.
I hail you, Skylord. You are welcome, my Red Deity. Who do we have in our midst? He is my friend, Chiwetalu, Ezekweche. I know him, and I know about his combo with the arrogant fly blade. My lord, he wishes to be a member of the Red Deity. Interesting. Hope you put him through the necessary requirements and information about his initiation. Yes, my lord. You may come forward. That bloody Chugo has finally joined the Red Deities. But that won't save him. It won't save him at all. Because I'm going to show him that the mere ground on which he's standing on is the shortest way to his destruction. He can never escape my wrath. Never. Because until he restores my father's office, I'm going to give him war. War that will consume him.
Capone, even that girl called Rose has joined the Red Deities.
You dare to speak to me about Rose? You freaking dare to speak to me about Rose? If you hadn't allowed her to slip through your fingers after beating you shamelessly, and I wonder how she did it. If she hadn't slipped through her fingers, you wouldn't be talking to me about Rose. The dawn! Not be being so! Not they go fix select.
Nah, war, man. Nah, war.
Hey!
Capone, this situation, the thing small like elephant. Huh? Now me hold the key to Arsenal, give the go ahead, and I go release hell, dead or alive. No lele. One Isigada. No. Isigada, man, Isigada. No lele. Hey! Now war. What's it? Hey! For this campus. Hey!
Great vampires!
Cruz, my Skylord. The vampires has fallen one of my dedicated soldiers, Dagger. Of which you all know what that means. Whoa! Whoa! We will stop at nothing in killing every vampire that comes in sight. This is an opportunity to pull down every vampire. Blood must flow. Whoa. Blood must flow. Whoa. 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 Whoa.
Skylord, on my honor as a king, I promise to supply all weapons and ammunition needed for this war.
Thank you, Your Highness. The Skylord will forever remain grateful. Take me out of this place now.
Bobby.
Oh, Your Highness.
What is it? You seemed lost.
Nothing actually. Your Highness, it's Helen. I don't know what is wrong with that girl. She won't stop interrogating and playing funny with me. Your Highness, I don't understand.
Bobby, what don't you know? This girl has fallen for you the way she fell for me, and I've given you the go-ahead. What are you disturbed about?
Your Highness, I'm not comfortable with the way she...
Anyway, that's not the reason I came out. I just got a call from the governor's office. We have to leave for Aniocha now because I should have a meeting with my cabinet. Get ready, we're going in 20 minutes.
All right, Your Highness.
All right. I called you here to inform you that the state government has indicated interest in building a gigantic nursing center in this community. They have chosen a land and have given my approval. What I want you to do is find out the owner of the land beside the transformer and inform him that that land has been chosen for this project.
Hey, Your Highness, that land you are talking about belongs to Ichie Siguzo.
Oh, really?
And as a matter of fact, that is the only thing he inherited from his late father. And that is where he does all his farming. Your Highness, if I may ask, can't something be done about it?
Okay, yeah. Something can be done about it. I think I would have to inform the government to switch over to your land and use it.
Your Highness, Mbano. Your Highness, I was only trying to suggest...
Keep your suggestions to yourself. I have spoken, and that is the way it remains. Isiguzo has to sacrifice for the development of this kingdom.
But Your Highness...
You may leave!
Lolo, can you leave alone? Thank you, Your Highness.
what do you think you're doing?
I am doing what is best for this kingdom.
And oppressing the helpless is one of your ways in helping them.
Why are you talking like this? You sound as though I sold this man's land or I want to keep it for my personal use. No. It's unfortunate the lot fell on him and there's nothing anybody can do about it.
Just like that? Without any form of compensation?
Where would that compensation come from? From me or from the state government?
Come on, Chigo. This is not the first time such a project is being undertaken in Anyocha Kingdom. And I'm sure this is not the best way it was handled.
Oh well, things have changed.
Come on, Chigo. What is wrong with you? What is this bitterness that I see in you?
Excuse me, Mom.
Chigo, what is wrong with this boy?
Your Highness, I want you to come and kill me finally. I don't want to live anymore. You have subjected me to the worst shame in my life. Worst humiliation. Kill me. I don't want to live again.
What is the meaning of this?
I said kill me. The only inheritance I have, the land given to me by my father, you took it away. You took away all precious items I have. I don't want to live again. Kill me.
So you have the temerity to show your face here in spite of everything you have done. You came here to display the madness that runs in your lineage?
Yeah, thank you. Kill me.
I will show you.
Show me. Guards! Yes. Guards!
Let them come, Your Highness. Seize this madman, take him to the back of the palace and flog him thoroughly.
Don't just flog me. Kill me there. I don't want to live again.
Hey, stop there. What is wrong with you, Chigo? What is wrong with you?
Nothing kill me.
Can't you see you are going too far? What wrongs has it done again that warrants such a punishment as caning him? Chigo, please consider his old age now. What if his slum's dead while being caned?
Mother, I am the king of this kingdom and my word is law. I have spoken. What are you waiting for? Take his money away and deal with him.
Go and kill me.
Deal with him.
What impudence.
Chigo don't like this.
Stay off.
I don't like it one bit. I don't like it.
Chibuzo, it has happened. It has happened, oh, it has happened. The king ordered his guards to flog me just because I went to protest a piece of land he took away from me by force. In the situation now, I have pains all over me. The pains are so much, I don't know if I will survive it. If I don't survive, avenge me. Avenge. Fight for your right. Do not allow anybody to take away your right. Fight for me. Fight for me. Oh. Hey. I'm not more. How about the Igbo? Hey.
He's the king of his people, pride of his people. Behold the king cometh, all hail the king, his majesty. He's the king of his people.
Your Highness.
Bobby, why are you always edgy these days? What's eating you up?
I'm sorry, Your Highness. It's my mother. She has fallen seriously sick. I was meaning to ask for permission if you will allow me to go see her.
Oh, permission granted. Is that why you are looking like a baby who just beheld a masquerade? So when do you intend to come back?
I won't stay for long, Your Highness. If the sickness is not that serious, then I would have to return tomorrow.
Okay then, I just hope it's not something serious. I'll make out a check for you so you can go take care of our medications.
God bless you. Stop
His people from a land filled with gold and silver.
What do you guys want from us? Please tell me, please.
Now you're talking.
Bye. Stand still. Just stand still. Yes, I will do it. I will do it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Get up. Get up. Get up. Please, get up. Please, get up. Please. My mother. No, my mother. Please, I beg you.
Joke. So what do you think? Shut up. One more word. Feed me.
Please, spare our life. Please don't kill us. Please, I beg. Please,
I don't have time for all that now, okay? When I get back to the village, we'll discuss that issue. Alright, I'll get back to you. Yeah, Bobby. how far? I haven't asked you about your mother's health. How is she?
Your Highness, my mother is fine. She's getting better.
Bobby, what's wrong? I can sense something is bothering you, but you don't want to tell me. Can you confide in me?
Your Highness, believe me, my mother is responding. She's getting better. Yes.
Just know I'm always there for you. If you need any form of assistance, I'll always be there to help out.
Thank you, Your Highness. I appreciate.
Welcome.
Excuse me, I will join you soon.
Hey, guy, come and pick up your mom. Yes, your mom. Come to the uncompleted building close to Abakoba. Yes, pick up your mom.
What is wrong with you?
Nothing, I guess my neck stiffened from last night's sleep.
Sorry about that.
Thank you.
I didn't see Bobby. Is he around? I didn't see him on my way in.
No, he's gone to see his sick mother for the second time.
His mother is sick? That means he wasn't around last night when the vampires came.
Vampires?
Yeah, vampires came to your house last night.
What insinuation are you making? Came here?
I got a report from a reliable source at the Red Deity that members of the vampires were seen leaving your house last night.
Wait a minute.
Who are you calling?
Bobby. I want to know when he'll be back.
Is there anything going on your mind?
No, but I'm baffled. How come the vampires came here and he couldn't detect them? Even if I was sleeping. I mean, it beats me.
Why don't you just wait until he returns?
Okay.
Your Highness.
Bobby, sorry, did the vampires by any means come here last night while I was asleep?
Of course not, Your Highness. No one visited, talk less of the vampires. But come to think of it, what would they be looking for at night in the enemy's territory?
I was wondering about that.
But I got the report from a very credible and reliable source.
My dear, it's obvious that was a wrong report. I mean, if the vampires came here, I wouldn't still be breathing by now. So just go back to your source and verify.
Okay.
What's that?
Your Highness, check. Your Highness.
Yeah?
You have a mail.
A mail?
Yeah. It's in your name.
I can't remember when last I got a mail in an envelope. Okay, that's cool.
I'll be with you soon.
Okay. Yeah. A mail from me.
My God!
Jesus Christ. What is this?
Wait a minute. Bobby! Bobby!
Rose, you're right.
They have used my PA against me. I suspect he put something in the juice he sent me last night. Oh God. I'm finished. I'm done for.
Oh my God. So they are now on the trail of blackmail.
What? Oh, Bobby. I trusted you with my life. Oh, I should have known better.
Why don't you just relax? Just relax, okay? Let us tell the Sky Lord.
Oh. Hello?
Listen carefully to my instruction. First, you have within 72 hours to restore my father as the Onowu of Anyocha land. And also to return back that piece of land that you stole from us. Okay? Secondly, you're going to be paying the sum of 5 million naira as ransom. I'll call you to tell you exactly where to bring the money and when. Listen to me. It will not work in your favor in any way if you get the police involved in this. So you better keep the police out. Because if you do, I'll tell you something, boy. That little piece of evidence in your hand will hit the public before you know what hits you. Just get that straight into your bloody head.
What? What is it? What is it? What is it?
The bastard is at it.
Oh God. Blade? What does he want? What did he say? What is he demanding for? Say something! You're not saying anything! Talk to me! What does he want?
The bastard is demanding 5 million naira.
Yes.
I don't think there'll be any need for us to involve Skylord.
Ah.
This swine is holding me by the balls, and if I don't play along, in no time, these pictures will be out there in the full glare of the public.
If it's not because of who you are and the effects those pictures will have on the public, I would just say call his bluff. But that guy is a monster. Even if you give money to him, he will not make him give out the pictures in his possession. He will just keep demanding and demanding and demanding for more money like a typical blackmailer. Oh God, I just hate him. Huh?
In that case, I'm left with no other option than to silence him for life.
Then we call the Sky Lord.
Yes. Call him.
You were seen drinking with our enemy.
Which enemy, please?
Monica.
I'm sorry, please forgive me.
Smalley, you'll be treated like an enemy right now.
I'm sorry, please. Please forgive me, please.
You.
I'm sorry.
You. And you. Make happy.
Please forgive me, I'm sorry.
Hey! Hey, lie down, come on. Lie down, my friend. My friend, lie down. Lie down, come on. Let's go. Hey! Where's Blade?
What is it? What for?
I didn't see Blade. I had fulfilled my own end of the deal and I needed to fulfill his.
Which is?
He told me he would get rid of Rose. But Rose is still hanging out with Chigo. What for? What nonsense? Why are you laughing?
Shut up.
Don't tell me to shut up! Don't tell me that!
As far as I'm concerned, you were just of service to us.
Huh?
We got it. So what?
See, I don't want to hear any nonsense.
Shut up!
Don't tell me to shut up! Don't tell me that! Listen, you must get Blade for me. You must get Blade. I don't need to hear any nonsense you're saying. If you say one more thing, I will shoot the fuck up. Just get Blade for me. Get Blade for me. What kind of nonsense is that? Stop doing all this. You won't do anything. Just get Blade for me. I want to see him. How can you?
Oscan. Chai. Oscan.
Jesus! Idiot!
No, you should have stayed. You should have stayed. The Chris. Think you can come and rant your mouth here. Stupid thing. Bitch. The Chris for here. My eyes are round.
5 vampires gone down. 5 vampires gone down just like that. This is war. This is a big war. That's what it is. And that's what it's gonna be. I said this is war. I thought that we could play this diplomatically. But the red deities have decided to change the dance steps. They have decided to change the beats of the music. But we, the vampires, will change the rhythm of the game.
On point, on point.
We are going to give them an eye for an eye. Life for life.
him an eye for an eye. Life for life.
You know what it's gonna be? It's gonna be a festival of blood. A bloody festival. That's what it's gonna be. A bloody festival is what they will get.
Yes.
But before then, I'm going to settle my score with that bloody Chico. And afterwards, we will set this whole campus on fire. They will run like they never did.
On point.
What is the matter with you? Huh?
Mama, welcome.
What is the matter with you?
Welcome. I'm fine. I'm okay.
No, my son. All is not well with you. I know when all is well with my son. Why not share your problems with
What is this now, Mama? What is this? Must you get bothered by every little thing? I said I am fine. Am I not looking it?
You came back a few days ago looking jumpy and edgy. I asked you about King Chugo. You said he is fine, that he gave you some days off. Huh? Strange enough, ever since then you sit by this corridor, think away your life all through the day. What is the matter?
Oh, Mama, what is this now? What is this? I said I am fine.
My son, open up to your mother.
I can see you don't want me in the house for now. I have to leave you. I'm not in the mood.
Bobby, come. Don't walk out on me. Bobby, come. Bobby. Huh? Hey. I don't know what has come over this boy.
Hey.
Now the game is about to begin. Orlando, you are going to be meeting with our Mugu behind the Agric Grove. Within the next 4 hours, he's going to be coming with money, cash. Listen, I want you to tell him that he is going to get the negatives and the other copies of the pictures when he meets up with my demand. Is that understood?
Yes, boss.
Spider.
Boss.
When this whole thing is over, you are going to be reinstated into the vampire inner family.
Thank you, Don.
Congratulations. See you guys.
Don! Don, you're too much, man. You're too much.
No, Lele. Campus no one leave us.
So
We don't go leave ourselves. Soldier go, soldier come. They want war? We will give them war.
He's the king of his people, pride of his people. Behold the king cometh, all hail the king, his majesty. He's the king of his people, pride of his people. Behold the king cometh, all hail the king, his majesty. He's the king of his people, from a land filled with milk and honey.
Where are the negatives?
boss said you'll get them after you've reinstated his father and his property to be turned back to him.
No, that wasn't the agreement.
That's the way it is now. You don't cough.
No, we have...
You don't cough. You don't cough.
Now me the Don, not be a beast, so if that beast, you go fit select. I go fit. Now me the Don, I don't show. See on your child that go. Go.
And following a tip-off by a good Samaritan, the police swapped on the hideout of a notorious criminal called Blade alongside with his cohorts who has been terrorizing the institution.
Master.
What is it?
Uncle Chibuzo. He's on TV.
The cultists are presently in police custody, helping the police on investigation.
Hey! Finally caught up with Chibuzo. I am finished. Oh, my land, my office. I am finished.
Master, sorry. I shouldn't have woken you up, sir.
Get out from here. You no come by anyway. You no come anyway. Oh, I'm finished. I am finished, so hey!
What happened? You have accident?
Abba, if na accident, I for dey hospital and I for explain to my parents.
So what happened to you?
I was beat up by my sisterhood. Because I was seen with you.
Nonsense. They are beat you because they are seen with person. They don't want you happy.
That's not the issue. The issue is that your death warrant has been signed, sealed and executed.
God forbid by still. I reject it. It's their mama, their papa, all of una together. Now that's one they will warrant. If one police warrant, they will warrant all of una. What's not? Oh, yeah, I send you to talk it out with fear, Abi. Lie, I cannot fearful for anybody. Then they create, then they look face. I bet they go Smally. God will bless you with your leg that spoil, yeah? The less money. Shebi na the information you won't give me. Seriously. Me. Hey! They are stressing me. Then they look face. And their mama then go warrant death too. They go wire the death reach their papa place too. Yeah, children.
He's the king of his people.
Why are you looking at it?
The police are everywhere in school.
So? Probably they have come in search of that bastard Blade and his cohorts. I'm even surprised that blast didn't finish him.
Chugo, you do not even understand. The police are looking for all the cultists. Presently, they are looking for Skylord and Cruz, meaning they can just link us up as well.
What is this fear for? Why are you afraid? Those guys have blood on their hands, do you? Please. I want to go somewhere. I'll be back soon.
Where are you going? School?
No, not school. I'm going outside the school. I have a little score to settle.
Do I come with you?
Rose. You have proven to be a trusted friend and a close ally. And I appreciate it immensely. You've shown me what true friendship is. And I promise you, someday in the near future, I'm gonna make it up to you. But on this, I have to go alone. Okay?
We've been through a lot together. I can't wait for that time.
See you soon, okay?
Brother, why are all those cultists killing their fellow students like animals? I have heard so many bad things about that Blade I saw on television. Anyway, I'm so happy that he has been arrested. Anyway, brother, what about the king of Anyocha?
And why do you ask?
Sorry, brother. I just got curious. Brother, where are you going to?
I'm hungry. I need my food.
Oh, brother, I'll pray your food now. Brother, brother.
Whose edge is this? What's eating for?
I'm sorry, Your Highness. It's my mother.
My God! Bobby! Bobby!
Please, Your Highness. Your Highness, I beg you, please forgive me. Thank you.
How could you? Bobby, I trusted you with my life. How could you betray me?
Your Highness, it wasn't a deliberate act. They made me do it, Your Highness. They got to me through Helene.
Liar! How could you betray my trust?
Your Highness, believe me. Those interrogation of hers I told you about was a way of getting information about my family through me and letting it out to Blade and his gang. Your Highness, that was also the way they traced my family and kidnapped my mother. Your Highness, all those lies I told you about my mother being sick, they kidnapped her, Your Highness, they kidnapped her and made me betray you.
Please. Well, there he is. just like David and King Saul in the Bible, with every opportunity to kill him, but never did. I've got a better plan. Undress yourself.
Hey! I said undress yourself. Pull out that clothes. Come on, let's do that. Sorry, I will. Come on. Fast. Look. Come on. Pull off your clothes. Pull off your clothes. Fast! Go! Please, do fast! I said fast!
At the count of 3, 1.
Please, I can't do this. This is absurd. Please, I can't do this. Please. At the count of 3. 2. Lie on him. Lie very well on him.
Because of that, you betrayed me. My trust, my honor, my life, my security.
Your Highness, please. Your Highness, please forgive my only brother, please. Forgive my only brother, please. Your Highness.
Shut your eyes.
Your Highness, please.
Shut your eyes.
Please. Your Highness, please. Look at my poor tears. Your Highness, please. My only brother.
What is this? Who did this? What's going on here? Who did this?
Yes, I did.
Who are you?
I am the last vampire standing, and I have come to haunt you. Like that!
Bruce, let's get out of here. Go fast.
No.
I've spoken to my father to use his connection and speak to the governor so they can grant you pardon under the prerogative of mercy.
Rose, you really done a lot for me and I appreciate it. But don't you think I deserve this punishment?
Don't speak like that. You're a young man, there's so much to do. Besides being a young man, you're a king. You have a lot to attend to besides. 5 years imprisonment is really long.
I know, but I just have 2 years to go and I'll be done with my time. Let me stay here. Let me go through this punishment so I can come out a better man. I've lived a very rough life.
We're in this together. All the way. Together.
Thank you. I appreciate every effort you have made for me.
Love is the greatest.
Rose, I do not know why you choose to flout my instruction in this palace. Why? You finish your schooling, and as a full-fledged princess, you should make use of the royal guards and maids wherever you go.
Father, I understand you perfectly well, but I don't need all that extra luggage.
Extra luggage, you call it? Extra luggage.
My God. Can you bear the
She calls the services of the royal guard and maid extra luggage.
What? Rosalind, why are you this stubborn and stiff-necked? Your father and I want the best for you. But you choose to take a different direction. Why?
Mother, because I am old enough to know what I want.
You shut your mouth there. I say shut your mouth. Oh, I see that your frequent visit to that prisoner called Chugo is turning into something else. Something I can't understand.
Father, Chugo has absolutely nothing to do with this. You may call him a prisoner, yes, but I want you to understand that that same prisoner risked his life for me. That same prisoner staked his life to make sure that I am comfortable. Today he's languishing in jail, all because he tried to protect himself from offending foes.
To protect himself from offending foes, he has to join a secret corps. And kill his fellow students. Is that right?
Rosalind.
Is that right?
That this whole thing is complicated. Sincerely, you won't understand.
Complicated. Complicated.
He's the king of his
I greet you all.
Pride of his people. Behold,
I summoned this meeting for a very important reason.
all hail the king.
I want to make amends. You all know I've not been a very good leader. And deep down, we all know I'm not worthy to still continue as king of this great kingdom. I've erred in the past, and I've been to prison and back. And I want to be a better person. As we know, prison is not a very good place to be. It's a corrective and reformative place. And I've come back to become a good king. And I tell you this day that henceforth I promise to be a better Chugo. Not the arrogant, haughty, naughty, intimidating, and wicked Chugo you have always known.
That's good. Ichie Isiguzo. Okay. You are hereby restored to the position of the Onowu and Kingmaker of Anyocha Kingdom. In addition to that, I will give you 2 pieces of land in place of the one we took for development. Thank you. So make merry, eat and drink. There's a lot to go around. My mate will soon be here to attend to you.
It's cool. We didn't have no coffee.
Chigo, you are indeed my hero. You have truly made me proud. And I'm sure you must have gained back your lost respect from your people by your rare and kind gesture towards Ichie Isiguzo. I am happy. Very happy. And I pray that my God will continue to protect and bless you all the days of your life, my son.
Amen. See, Mom, I have been to hell and back.
Yes.
And I've learned my lessons. You know, as you grow up as a child, you tend to lay down certain precepts for yourself. And along the line, peer pressure and other influences could derail you. But a little punitive measure will put us back in place.
Yes.
I believe I've learned my lessons, and I promise to be a better man.
Oh, my son, I'm so happy. Really, you need to see how so very happy I am.
I can see it in your eyes.
How about that girl you told me about? Rose. Yes, you said her name is Rose. When are you bringing her for me to see?
Okay then. Rose will come here tomorrow.
Good.
And then I'll follow her to go see her father in her town.
Good, that's all I want to hear. And I hope from the way you are sounding, the girl seems a nice person. I hope her family is equally as good as she is.
Mom, Rose doesn't seem a nice person. Rose is a wonderful person.
Good, that's all I want to know.
And as for her family, though I haven't met them, but I'm convinced within me that I won't be disappointed.
Maybe I can't wait.
I want to make
Thank
you
God
proud.
My son is back to me.
He's the king of his people, pride of his people. Behold the king cometh, all hail the
Where are we? In your Igbo's palace?
Yes, my father's palace.
Your
Father's palace.
Wait a minute. Are you trying to tell me you are a princess?
It's okay. Excuse me, let me call my parents.
From a land filled with milk and honey, he has power, riches, a splendor. Where his word lies, power lies. He's the king of his people. From a land filled with gold and silver, he has riches,
My dear,
and splendor.
as a fellow Igwe, I commend you for your words. And I have respect for your personality. This is the first time we've met, and my spirit accepts you wholeheartedly. Yeah? Though I was skeptical at first.
Thank you very much, Your Highness.
And I also concur with my husband.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Thank you very much, my son.
So, concerning your intention towards my beautiful daughter, I'll support you with my whole heart. I'll give you my unalloyed approval.
Wow. I don't know, I'm short of words. Thank you very much, Your Majesty. I appreciate your warm welcome and acceptance. And I make you a promise this day that our union will be a lifetime of bliss. I would make her the happiest woman on earth.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you so much, Father. Mother, thank you so much.
Thank you, my dear.
Okay, all right, let us toast for it. Rosie, I'll get us something, let us toast.
I'm sorry, excuse me, let me go.
He's the king of his people, from a land filled with milk and honey. He has power, riches, and splendor. Where his word lies, power lies. He's the king of his people, from a land filled with gold and silver. He has riches, power, and splendor. Where his word lies, power lies. Here comes the man, lion of his people, with power and wealth for hell, the king cometh. Here comes the man, lion
Yes, what is it? Oh, I'm sorry, but Bobby is here to see you. Bobby? Yes, Your Highness.
Where is he?
He's outside.
Get him in. He's fast.
Pride of his people, behold the king cometh. All hail the king, his majesty.
Get up. Bobby, get up. Bobby, my long time and best friend.
No, Your Highness, no. I don't deserve to be called that. I disobeyed you. I betrayed the trust you had in me. That's why I've come to ask for forgiveness.
No. I am happy to see you again, and I've forgiven you long time ago. I mean, we all erred in one way or the other, and we deserve each other's forgiveness.
Your Highness.
Now sit down.
Your Highness!
Bobby, sit, please. Please, make yourself comfortable.
But Your Highness, you never offended me. I betrayed you.
I shot you, remember?
I deserve that. Yes.
Anyway, all that is in the past now, okay? Let's forge ahead. Everything has been forgotten and forgiven.
What do I say? I'm overwhelmed. Honestly.
That reminds me. Have you heard about my proposed wedding with Roslyn?
Oh, yes, I have. It's in the dailies. Congratulations.
Thank you, my friend. And guess what?
Yeah.
You're gonna be my best man. What's that?
Your Highness. Me?
Do I have any other best friend?
Oh, Your Highness. Thank you so much.
No. Stop this. Get off. Alright? It's okay. I'm so happy to see you again. No, come on.
Your Highness. Thank you.
It's okay. Now this calls for celebration. You sit down while I get them to arrange something. Guards! Yeah, tell the maid to prepare more of this. And you fix us some drinks.
Yes, Your Highness.
Oh, be my friend.
Now tell me, how is the preparation going on?
Yeah, I'm happy you have come around.
Chivita, she exotic, that's pineapple coconut flavor. Yes, big one. What do you have there? What? Okay, let me have meat. Yeah, this one. Take away, yes, please.
Roslyn. You don't seem to remember me.
I'm sorry, I can't remember. Oh my God, we had issues over a guy way back in school.
Yeah. Helen Harris.
Oh, okay.
And as for the problem, I'm sorry. I'm sorry about it. I'm sorry about it.
It's okay, it's alright. So, what are you doing here? You own this place?
Yeah. You know, after graduation, no good job. So, I decided to start up with this.
This place is beautiful. It's a nice initiative.
Thank you.
Nice, yeah.
So, what do you do presently?
Actually, I should be running my father's business outside the country, but I'm preparing to get married pretty soon, so you know how it is. You have to run up and down, put things in place and all of that. But as soon as I'm done, I'm out of the country, I'll go run the business. And unfortunately, my husband's not going to come with me. He's a traditional ruler.
Is your husband a traditional ruler?
Yes, and my father as well.
Oh, you are a princess? You mean you've been a princess all the while in school and nobody knew? And I had the effrontery to square up a quarrel with you? Oh, please, my princess, I'm sorry.
It's okay, come on, it's okay. I would have done the same thing you did, when you love somebody, you just go after him with so much drive and so much passion. But it's okay, it's all fine. All of that is in the past now.
Oh, thank God that's in the past now. So, when is your wedding coming up?
Oh my God, I've been talking since. Let me give you my ivy. My wedding is just around the corner. Let me give you my ivy.
This is so lovely and cute.
Thank you.
Wait a minute. Is it the same Chugo Eze?
Chugo Eze Koche, that's my husband.
Oh my God. I'm so happy. I'm happy for you too.
Thank you.
Just that I don't know how Chugo will be seeing me after what I did to him.
Like I said before, all of that is in the past. In fact, we should commend you. If you hadn't tipped the police with all the information they needed, likes of Blade and his cohorts wouldn't have been gotten, Come here, you just deserve a hug. It's so well. Who knows, by now people like us would have been forgotten. Honestly, to show my appreciation, you would have to join my committee of friends as my Ashibi girl.
Oh my God! Oh my princess, this is unbelievable.
I know.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
It's alright. It's okay.
Thank you so much.
No problem. Sorry, you can't listen.
Thank you. You look good.
Minus love.
I want you to appreciate the princess by putting your hands together as they are going to come out right now. Here comes the princess and her maidens. Put your hands together. The Queen Mother, you're welcome. Igbo himself, Anapanani. You know, when I saw you coming, when
I saw you coming, I expected to see people coming with gallons of wine, different kind of drink, Sigumi, Colombia, and other things. But I didn't see any. I believe that maybe all these things have been packed in stock for us to take as the Igbo. It's not like the Igbo tradition that says when they are coming, they come with gallons of wine. You came like Indian people, showing me that you will love our queen. Do you understand me? The Indian people, if they are coming to marry, you will not see them with drinks. They will pack people from their village, people that know how to dance, for them to come and marry. The man will come at the building. The people that are playing the music will start. Once they start the music, the lady will come out from the window. Watch them all. After the dancing, marriage is over. Thank you. Now watch them. Indian people, they only dance till they take catch woman. When you came, I thought you want to take our queen with India. Indian person will only dance for you. To the real. The thing we just gave you just little. Our princess just came out and greeted you. You are laughing. By the time she come out the second time to give you the wine, you will dance like Indian people and coming. Coming back, what I was thinking in my mind is, and our own mind, I believe that our minds are together. She was thinking, it is you. Okay, no, my princess, it's dancing time. So, princess, I want you to win him. That Indian song. He was with. It's dancing time. Okay, all the ladies, I want you to come and circle here. Circle here. So when I go to dance in your belly. Immediately. DJ. We are ready for you.
Your Highness, I call you Your Highness for the very first time because I have come to terms with reality. That is why I and my friends are here to acknowledge your royal status as the Igwe Chiugo of Anyocha Kingdom. We are here to celebrate with you. We are here to celebrate this beautiful day of your life. But before we join in the celebration, I would like to apologize for everything we've done wrong to you. Every action that we've taken against you. Please, forgive us. Please, we're sorry.
Congratulations. Congratulations, Your Highness. Well, wow, I'm so happy to be here today. First of all, let me just congratulate the latest couple in town, the newest couple in town. I'm so happy for you guys. Congratulations. Well, a lot of you that knew me way back in school then are all surprised to see me changed, reformed. You're so shocked at the sudden transformation. Well, all glory to God Almighty and to my sister from another mother, who is now a legal practitioner in Abuja, Angela Ike. She showed me the positive side of life. Thank you for making me believe so much in myself. Thank you for showing me the positive side of life, for embracing it. You know, way back in school, I was nonchalant, I was a nuisance, didn't want to study hard, was always throwing tantrums, you know. And thank God for her, for putting me on the right path. Thank you so much. She encouraged me way back then to go for rehab, you know, and today I'm better. I no longer smoke Indian hemp. I've been away from it for 3 years and I'm so happy, glad. I thank God for that. And to my friends in school for always fighting you, making trouble, I'm so sorry. And Your Highness, like I always call you back then, good morning, Your Highness. Thank you so much and I really appreciate you all. Oh, well, another big surprise for you all today. My love, the love of my life, who was my worst enemy, number one enemy way back in school, Orlando. We're getting married soon.
What?
Thank you.
Orlando. Orlando. Shit, man, you never told me this. Orlando. You never told me this. Oh, damn.
minus love aga m ije n'mba ji mee gịnị ọra bịala ije ekilibe ndị nwe m bịale ada dị mmadụ rubọbọ gaba Owere nwa n'ịdị ka chọrọ achọ favorite m ọmalịcha biko pụta kene n'ọgbọ enwe mmadụ bịale ndị nwe m le ọmalịcha nwa duru bọbọ gaba Owere favorite mo, ọ dị m n'obi nwa n'ịdị ka chọrọ achọ